Now that we have learned how to set our fingers on the tabla and duggi respectively, we will now learn a set of notes that will be used commonly on this instruction. Firstly, there are 6 notations that we learn and we play on the tabla. On the duggi, we use 2. The 6 notations on the tabla are ta, na, ti, te, tin. On the duggi, we play ge and ke respectively. The first notation we will learn is how to play te. Te is being played by placing your hand on the tabla with your middle finger and your ring finger closest possible together in this manner, and your index finger moving slightly outside and your little finger with a little space there, and you're striking in this manner. Te, in the middle of the tabla. Te, 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 te. Remember, you always get a flat song when you play te. The other notation is how to play the other te. The other te is by striking your index finger in the middle of the tabla also, and you also strike it for a flat sound. Te, 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 te. To recap, the first te is to play with the middle finger and your ring finger in the middle, strike for a flat sound. Te, te. The other te is to strike with your index finger in the middle also for the flat song. Te, te. So if you play 2 te's, te, 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 te. The other notation is how to play tin. Tin is being played by striking the first finger, which is the index finger, on the right hand quickly on the middle of the tabla. It must be lifted as quickly as possible. You must have a ringing song also. It's being played in this manner. Tin. You strike and you hit very quickly and you release your finger quickly. The other notation is how to play ta. Ta is being played by placing your hands and your fingers in this manner on the tabla. You rest your ring finger at the edge of the black spot, or the masala as we call it, in this manner. You lift your fingers in this position and you strike with your index finger at the edge of the tabla here, in this manner. So if we strike it hard, we must have a flat song also, and we call that ta. Ta. This same placement is used for the bowl na also. So ta and na is the same placement. So we play ta, ta, ta. We also play na. Na, 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 na. There is also another bowl which we play between the edge and the masala into this spot here, where we play ti. So we have learned how to play ta and na. We will now play ti. Ti is being struck in this manner here, in this position. And your ring finger always keep the base on the black spot here at the edge in this manner. If you play ta, your ring finger must be in this manner. If you play ti, it must be in this manner. If you play ti, then it's become flat. You do not have no semicircle or little curve as you would see in this placement. Those are the 6 bowls that we have learned to play on the tabla. We will now learn to play the two common bowls on the Duggi. I will now take my left hand and I placed it flat, the palm on the black spot of the masala. My wrist at the bottom here, it has powder on it, and I will be resting it at the edge of the black spot here in this manner, and I will be playing the bowl Ge. Ge is being played by setting your fingers in a semicircle manner in this format, and you're going to strike it with the middle finger and the ring finger very quickly, and these fingers are all together as you see here on the skin, and we'll lift it back. We must have a ringing song in this manner. Ge, 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 ge. While I'm doing this, the wrist and my hand at the bottom, it rests on top of the skin, on top of the Duggi. So, once again, Ge, Ge, Ge. The other bowl we're going to learn is how to play Ke. Ke is being played by placing your palm once again flat to cover the masala. My wrist is here, my fingers are in this manner, in this position, and I play it very flatly. Ke, 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 Ke. So, Ge is being played with a ringing song. My fingers are in a semicircle position and I strike it. Ge, Ge, Ge. Ke is being played flatly by playing in this manner. Ke, 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 Ke. If we are to recap what we learned so far, we have learned to play Te. Firstly, the other Te is to play with the index finger flatly in the middle of the tabla. Te, Te, Te. We also learn how to play Tin by striking the index finger very quickly on the middle of the masala in this manner to have a ringing sound. Then we learned how to play Ta and Na. Ta and Na, the sound of these bowls are the same in terms of placement. We play in this manner. Na, 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 and Ta, Na and Ta. And Ti, the last one we learned how to play is to play in this spot here between the masala and the Ta, this way. Ti. Our ring finger is being placed in a semicircle manner, so to speak, and it must take this position when you're playing Ta and Na. Your index finger is in this position to play Ta or Na. Your middle finger is in this position straight up, but have it relax. Your ring finger is in this semicircle position. It always rests on the masala, at the edge of the masala, but it must remain there. And your little finger in this manner. On the other side of the Duggi, we play Ke and Ge. We have learned how to play that. Ge is being played with your fingers in a semicircle manner, your wrist resting at the edge of the masala, and a song, we must have a ringing sound. Ge, Ge, Ge. The other notation is Ke. Ke is being played very flatly. Ke, Ke,